Welcome to BENTDIUM, milling chuck head for wire, cutting EDM, built for efficient precision machining. Its 3 slotted holes ensure flexible installation on most wire cutting EDM machines, reducing debugging costs. The 3-point leveling structure lets you make micro adjustments on ZX, ZY, and XY planes for fast workpiece alignment. Crafted from SUS 440C stainless steel, hardened edge to HRC 48-52 with cryogenic treatment. It is rust-proof and wear-resistant. Full for a side grinding delivers 0.03 mm per 100 mm, parallelism, and 0.005 mm per 100 mm perpendicularity. The preset movable jaw allows quick part swaps, minimizing downtime and keeping your production is running smoothly. BENTDIUM, your partner for efficient and precise wire cut EDM.